Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I would like to announce that our channel has hit the milestone mark of 1k subscribers. This wouldn't be possible without your support. So I would like to thank each and every subscriber who is part of this journey. So now on, as promised, I'll be reviewing car segments also. So please do enjoy the videos and support me. As you can see, today we are gonna review the mid SUV segment from Mahindra. This car is known for its strength and which has scored 5 stars in the crash test of NCAP. So this is none other than XUV300. I would like to mention that this is my personal car. I have been using this since 2022. So you can also consider this as an ownership review after 3 years. So this is the overview of the vehicle and the badging of XUV300, and this is the auto shift variant, which is considered as AMT, and this is a rear profile, and this is a boot space. And the only disadvantage in this vehicle is the boot space. The boot space is very low compared to the other rivals of this car such as Venue and Sonet, but this is negligible, and this is a decent space for your luggage. And this is a spare wheel which is located underneath, and this partial tray is height level adjustable, which can be used according to your luggage. This has two levels. You can switch them up and down so that your luggage can be carried in a more efficient way. And these are the clamps for folding the seat, and this is how the front profile looks. The front profile is a bit aggressive, and this is the cleanest design of an mid SUV segment car. And the doors of the car are too strong, and this is a main advantage in this car. The strength of the car and the whole body is too good and very standard. And this is a key which looks very stylish, and through which you can set the child lock, as you know. From rear profile, the vehicle looks like a mini tank. As you can see, these are the storage pockets on the rear door. As you can hear, the sound makes sense now. That's the strength hidden in this car. And this is the rear seats. The main advantage in this car, as they compromise the boot space, the rear seats are too spacious and the legroom is very good, and you will fall in love with the rear space, and you can have a decent ride and comfortable ride in this car in the back seat. 5 members can be easily and comfortably seated in this car with no problems. And the space of legroom, you can see this is too good, and it's also comfortable for the driver also. And these are the back storage pockets, and this version comes with a sunroof, which is also a major advantage for this variant. And you can see the quality of the leather seats. This 1.2 liter W6 variant comes with an 16-inch wheels. These are not alloy wheels. As you can see the badgings of the tire dimensions, and these are the suspension, and this is how the spacing looks. And coming to the driver seat, this is how it feels. These are the power controls of windows and ORVMs, and these are the headlight level adjust. There's also an start stop button which is very efficient, and these are the lock controls of windows. This variant doesn't come with an auto folding ORVMs. You can only adjust the mirror through these control. The ORVM will not fold. That's the only disadvantage. These are the steering mounted controls. This doesn't come with an cruise control. There is a provision, but that will be only available in the higher variant, which is W8. There is no push start button, so this is a manual key operation provided. So this is how the console looks, and you can also change the settings of the lighting and the colors in the console. And this is the main control board. You can adjust the temperature, you can turn it to AC or heater through this. And these are the hazard lamp switch. And coming to the lower portion there is a provision for mobile charging with type C port and USB port and normal car charger. Coming to the best part, this is the AMT transmission, which is very unique for this segment, and this can be operated both manually and automatic. This is a 6-speed transmission. It has 6 gears, but the only disadvantage is the jerkings between the transmission of the gear, and this is a space provided for the co-passenger to put things, and underneath it this is a glove box. This is also a major advantage as it is too large. You can place anything in it. These are the items I have put in this, which are very comfortably accessible, and this is a co-passenger's viewpoint. And this is there is an also feature called steering modes, which is very unique in this segment. There are normal, sports mode and comfort mode. You can switch between them according to the road conditions and your mood. The steering gets very smooth and gets hard depending upon your driving type, and this also comes with an tire level indicator, and this is a range. The claimed mileage is around 17 by the company, but the maximum mileage I attained is 16.4, which is very equivalent to it. This is a sunglass holder, which is standard and easily accessible, and these are the light controls. I have changed it to LED from the stock one, and this is a button used to access the sunroof. You can on and off the sunroof, and this is a mic. While you connect your device, your voice go through this mic, and this is a rear mirror. This accessory I've got this from Amazon, which can be mounted to the sunshade, which will be enhancing the storage space, and you can access the main documents easily. And this is a co-passenger's sunshade, which comes with a mirror. When you open the panel, the light gets on, and if you close that, it will get turned off. And this is a view of the sunroof. The bonnet can be accessed through this lever. If you pull that lever, the hazard lights get automatically turned on, and I'll be showing the bonnet now. The gauge of the car is too thick, and the bonnet is very heavy. As you can see now, my struggle to open this bonnet single-handedly while holding camera in one hand and opening this bonnet. And this is the placement of the bonnet holder, and this is how the engine looks. 1.2 liter W6 AMT XUV300, and this is a provision for wiper liquid and the battery and the fuse box and the air filter. I frequently clean the air filter, and this is how it looks, and the hazard lamps are on. My most favorite thing in this car is the front profile. The front profile design is very aggressive and straightforwarded, and these are the lever as you can see in every normal car, and there is no height adjustable lever, and this is only tilt adjustable, and the steering also comes with an height adjustable lever, and this is a safety provision which is one of the best in segment provided in this car, the reflectors. And coming to the ground clearance, this is a beast in this ground clearance thing, which can handle any sort of terrain. The side profile of this car is too good and aggressive and cute, and I have also done a ground clearance test. I have built a worst ramp which a normal car couldn't handle. So as this is an SUV, I would like to demonstrate the ground clearance of this vehicle. Any normal car wouldn't have gone through this ramp. I've seen some YouTube videos and built this ramp. As you can see how this car is handling this obstacle, and this is how the car performed, and the result is awesome, and it handled very decently. And I have also used this car for a long trip, and this is the data of the long trip. The average was 16.4 kilometers per liter, This is the highest mileage I have attained in this car on a long journey. I would like to conclude that this is one of the best car in the segment of mid SUV range. As this version is not available in the market and there is facelift of this variant, so if you find this version in any second hand marketplace, so please go for it and have a test ride and tell your opinion in my comments. And I would like to conclude that a lot of exciting content is going to come, so please do subscribe the channel.